AXP, OXP.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Pristine Method Blackroom sound check, please. This is Danny. Hi, everyone. Good morning. Hey, guys. Hope everybody's having a nice morning. Morning, Rob, Paul. What's happening, Boulder? Hey, Tommy. All right, let's ready to trade. Let's do it. If you're new with us today, really want to welcome you to the trading room. Hope you find your experience beneficial, educational, and please sit back and listen for a day or two. Then you can start asking questions. We follow a strict routine in here. And then also, please check out the documents folder in the lower right corner. And all of our watch lists and plays are posted in the announcements. So just be on the lookout for those pop-up announcements. And that's it. So let's get started. Alright, so the market. I actually forgot to look at the market today. So let's take a look at the market. I typically start my day by looking at the Qs. But I haven't looked at the market yet. But I know what the market looks like. I remember I said yesterday we had that bullish, really bullish day that held, that confirmed support. You see, we retested support and generated this kind of a bar. That's really bullish, right? But not yet until we get follow through. So today, it'll be important to not negate this bar and hold on to the gain. And then, you know, the likelihood of having a small bar today, I think, is high. The likelihood is very high that we have a narrow range day. And then tomorrow maybe we take it out and continue higher, or if we negate it, then that's really bearish. So we have a clear line in the sand now, and that would be the lows there. We cannot violate that. If we do, lower probably to the bottom of the range. So right there, maybe the 200. As far as this morning, we're opening exactly flat. Qs is opening exactly flat. So you know, it would be nice. We started the pullback yesterday. We started to break the trend, and then the day was over, right? So let's see if we can pull back a little bit today and do a buy setup. I would really like to pass on the first buy setup and play only a buy setup that forms at support on the hourly and the rising 20. So I'm looking for the market to come in a little bit to maybe 105.50. If not, then it'll be hard for me to play along up here into resistance and the declining 20 on the daily. But it's not the declining 20, it's more so resistance that I care about. So I'd like to see a pullback. If I get a pullback in the market to 105.50 at minor support, see this is 105.46, rising 20. I look to play it long. If I get a buy setup maybe up here, which will be kind of minor support on the 15 minutes, I'll look to pass on the first buy setup and look for the second buy setup. Okay? So I'm not going to be overly aggressive today, so I still haven't gotten a response, but I don't think this is going to be available for me. Either way, I'm not really. This is a very small gap anyway, so I wouldn't be looking to do anything with the open. Okay, on the VLDC. This is the kind of thing, again, split from 6 to 12, and it's been in a narrow range for a year now. Recently broke out, wide range bar. Never give an entry unless you are in it prior to the breakout. Notice, guys, see why I like. Remember, did anybody attend yesterday's workshop? Remember, I said, the moving averages are typically useless in sideways basis, except when the stock is about to break
okay, it's working.
Transition. Then the moving average starts to trend a little bit. See that? Trend up. Why? Because we start getting higher lows, higher low, right? So it gives you a heads up. We're about to transition, perhaps. That's what happened. So on this stock, this is not something I could have played on the. I should have gotten in after the breakout. But if I was already in it, then see.
Anyone got anything good today? So I think our favorite is going to be GM, IEXG, and Joe. GM.
I don't know if I want to move it to the hot list, but there's nothing. If I don't put this on the bearish hot list, nothing else is going to make it to my bearish hot list. American Express is gapping down to 78.75, is 78.73. Under 78.73, that's a PSS. I mean, that's a sell setup. You can say a PSS, but this sell-off did make a few lows into support. Tiny little thing, I think lower to 78. So not much, but interesting. As a short on the AXP, just to put
fuck, it hurts. I need to wash my head today.
The CERU is down a lot, and today, that's the problem, is that it's hardly gapping. It's gapping 7 cents. So right there.
Quick targets today.
643.
Alright, CLDN. Ooh, CLDN looks so good. Thank you. Hey. Oh my god.
But sometimes some secondaries don't act right. They don't follow normal technical analysis that other stocks do. So that's why I don't like to trade them, because sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. So the CERU is really good to watch on a sell-off and a buy sell $8 to $6.
Here we got 19 minutes.
The CERU. In fact, now it's gapping 645. It's one round gap. I believe the GEL is also a secondary. This is gapping down from 300,000 shares. Average is about 300,000 shares. 100,000 shares.
Oh, I need to take a sleep.
This would have been my favorite gap down. 44.30. I will still look at it, but target on this is also good. That's a small target. 40 to 50 is the most I could look for. I would say that's that. Better proceed. So there's the DYAS, there's the GEL, NRC, the whole spectrum. And you go ahead and put them all next to each other. DYAS. And then
Yeah, let's not have another QURD today.
Down a lot already.
In and out, I'm going back to sleep.
Either way, this is probably wild. I hope it's not too spready. Averaging about 200 pounds per day, so it might be really spready and not playable. But I'm looking to play it long on that OCUL. I would like to see it come in more to 25, so it could go either way. I am going to go ahead and put it on the hot list as a long, but it may not be playable. The UBNT is gapping down to 28.30, so not enough. Against the green bar, I like that, but not enough.
So
break support in the next sell stop.
this
Okay. And
this is gonna be a long.
1 second, please. All right. Okay, got it. The gap ups. Let me know if I'm missing any gaps. The gap ups. We have the TRN gapping up to 36.9. The TRN kind of broke out yesterday and today gapping up, so there's a little bit of nervousness there on the TRN, but it's a small gap. I'm not sure about the TRN. It could come in, but it's also a small gap. It's kind of a breakout, so I would be, I'd be cautious. I'd think twice before shorting it. But it might be a short initially, and then on a pullback long. On the TRN, let's see where I have it. Okay, I'm gonna put the TRN right there. GPX right there. 1 second. Okay, got it. Just reorganizing, moving my charts around a little bit. The SPLK is gapping up to 62, and then SPLK is kind of ending this downtrend on the day.
So CLDM was upgraded so it could run, but they have looming 7M offering, so watch out for.
This is actually a stock that has a novice.
Sure, they've been wrecking it.
They are continued lower, but it's actually within the context of a probably larger uptrend. See that? It's actually in an uptrend. Yeah? So this is not so bearish, but anyway, gapping up to 62. On a run-up short, on a pullback long, on the SPLK. So again, on a run-up into resistance with a declining trend, short, on a pullback long. The RADA, this is probably not playable, gapping up to 253. Okay, over 254, like it higher to 280 or so, but I think this is wild and spreading. The Envo is gapping to 411. I like the Envo a lot, but look to the left, minor resistance. See that? Declining 20. So on a pullback away from that area, I like the Envo a lot, but on a pullback away from that area. OCN is like something I played it swing, and so I've looked at it multiple times as when it was setting up as a long, and it never did it, and today gapping up to 924. I like the OCN, but right into resistance. I think the OCN is higher to basically to the declining 20 on the weekly, about 11 bucks. So I really like it, but on a pullback away from resistance on the OCN, okay? I'm going to be watching that closely, but really not at the open. The IGT is gapping up to 1880. Did somebody tell me what the news is on this? IGT gapping up on 250,000 shares to 1880. It's not a buyout, is it? I don't think it is. So IGT is a big gap. So how big of a gap is it? So 1880 up there. So I like it long on a pullback on the IGT. But somebody tell me what the news is if you have it more. So IGT, oh yeah, there it is, 6.5% on the IGT. I like it on a pullback. Powerful gap. Powerful gap. FedEx gapping up to 173 on the FedEx. 173 would be into resistance. FedEx is not a novice gap. but if it runs up, I'm looking to short it on the FedEx. I don't have anything to short. So FedEx I'll be looking at as a short, possible short, if it runs up, and then long on a pullback later today. The UPS gapping up to 97.65. 97.65 is just a 1% thing, not even a 1%. It's in sympathy with the FedEx. It's not no big deal there. Don't like it. CTRP, remember the CTRP yesterday? Told you I really like this, but I couldn't put it in the system, the order for this pre-market, because I didn't know where to put the order. Here, it will still be into resistance. Up there would still be into resistance. Up here would be too big of a stop. I didn't know where to put the entry yesterday, but it was on my daily hot list. I really liked it long. And of course, you know, it never gave me another entry. Maybe it did there. And today gapping up, so I'm not in it, unfortunately. Gapping up to 63.50. This is a little bit novice on the CTRP. Not a big gap, but on the novice side. I wasn't looking to short it, but since I don't have anything short, so I'm just kind of trying to come up with a bearish watch list. CLDN I really like the daily chart. Whatever it is, IGT now. You guys are telling me to buy out too. Okay. And then the intra, and then the other one was the buyout was the intra and the IGT, or the IGT's merger, not buyout. Can I go over the pay? Oh, it's a gap up? Yeah. Are there any gaps that I'm missing here? Yeah, pay is a gap up. Thanks. Pay. Anything else I may be missing here? We have 6 minutes. Pay is gapping up to 35, 37. I like it. I like the pay. I think it has room to, not much, to at least, you know, that would be, you know, I look at this as target 1, 35.75 on the pay. So pay is not bad. I kind of like it. Pay. Alright. Here's the pay. And then GBX, I'll put it. So you're saying that GBX has 32% short interest. See, traders always get it wrong. Yeah? The majority is always on the wrong side. Look at that. Tesla, wasn't Tesla like the most shorted stock in America at some point? And then we saw what it did. It went from $30 to $300. Always get it, on the wrong side. They're always on the wrong side. So that's it. It's a tough, I think after the open, like after 10 o'clock, if we get pullbacks.
Okay, so we're having a lot of computer, I don't know what the dealio is, but, the computer just crashed. I'm really tired today. I did not get much sleep in the last few days. I was just being stupid.
But not right at the open. Yeah, the AXDA might be a fade. I agree. AXDA.
I got a pretty good guess there.
Here's the ones that I am looking at possible.
AXP, Joe.
CTRP, the FedEx, the AXDA, and then the TRN. These are the possible fades. And then I would also have the INFA and the IG. The IGT maybe not, but the INFA for sure. And the GBX. GBX, anybody has it available? This would be my favorite fade idea. The GBX, I don't know where I have it. GBX. Is that really good? I don't see it. Oh, there it is.
So John Voto, my room is calling GBX a short.
Okay, and then as far as the loan, this is into resistance, so probably not at the open. OCUL could go either way, but I'm looking at it. I'm thinking long, not short. I mean, the favorite ones on a pullback are the CLDS, the OCN, the CLDN, and the ONCO. Those are the favorite loans on a pullback, so not right at the open. So I typically don't put them on the hot list here. So let's just kind of separate them out. Pay is also okay, I think at the open. Okay. Where do I have the pay now? It just came out. It's okay, right? Okay, I see it. Alright. Let's put it up here. And then let's put the R now, since the R is not enough anymore. Okay, that's it. And if you short? Do you ever buy? No, I don't. You know, I don't do options, and you know, it's just probably need to start looking into options. Just, you know, versatility. The truth is, I know we tell you to focus on one thing at a time initially, and that's the way to go when you're just learning, when you're just starting out. But versatility, there's nothing like being versatile. That's the truth. There's nothing like being versatile as a trader. And options would give me another option, right? Another to add to my versatility. Because if you think about it, sometimes, you know, my maxes are looking to sometimes gaps, gaps, let's say, earning season. So versatility is the best, you know, great thing to have. That's what options do. Here's the daily watch list. Really should be here. Because they're mostly long. They're all long. The daily hot list.
GM.
The SOMS is not too long. So it's what kind of a favorite here. It's triggered by this. I mean, I ended up killing it at 94, 794. I like it over 820, but so not right at the open. OHRP could go either way, hard to bar for me, but if I had it available, it could be a short. OHRP could be a short. The NDIP I like a lot, over $1.84. Okay. The full I like a lot also over this breakout. I don't have an open for this, so I mix it with those at the open. And I like the fold. I like the CPL a lot, but not my type of trade. This actually plays here over the base. Not my trade. I'm letting it go there. TANF, I like it long over 43, I think. So I like that. Long, TANF is pretty spready. A10, I like it over 440 or so. Don't love it. ANF is setting up as a long again. I played the ANF long. I played it once here and then once there. So I played it twice already. I like it higher still, the ANF. You know, again, interesting, but not a clear pattern on the ANF. FEYE, I think, could be a core long. It triggered already, but today over yesterday's high, looks okay. And here's the open. MX looks okay over the double top. SCYM, I'm in some, but I'm looking to add over 310. GDP over yesterday's high is higher. Flying, those are the energy stocks. BPY and the PEG. So that's what I'm gonna be watching here at the open. I have alerts or orders for all of them. Okay, so
Oh, GM maybe.
let's see what we can find this morning. See if there's anything to do here. Hopefully there is. Alright, so the GPX, if you got it, I would go.
This is definitely gonna shake us.
The OCUL watch, right?
EXP guys, this is good too.
Yep, good luck everybody. Just, don't forget to do what you're supposed to do. Do right, right? Just do right. Okay? Don't forget to.
Okay, well,
The one thing that I wanted was that OCUL, right? From the gap house.
that was instantaneous stop out.
The OCUL, by the way. This label is 30-cent spread. OCUL. I like it more. It's 40-cent spread. It's not 40-cent spread. 40-something.
What the fuck?
So I'm gonna let it go for now. But wow. It's my favorite thing today. Could be my favorite thing. Yoko's also looks higher. Yoko. I kept some Yoko from yesterday as a swing, but if I'm not in, I'd be looking to get into the Yoko today. But I'm already
Well, this is gone.
there.
Scalp target.
Alright.
Trailing.
Let's take, that's the secondary, the gel. Alright, so that's OCUL and now the spread tightened up. But when I was looking at it as an entry, it had 40-cent spread. Now the spread is gone, and it looks great, but it's too late. See that? See that? That 30-cent spread back to 30-cent spread. So
CLVS.
that was the thing. There goes the Yoku, by the way. Yoku's going right at the open.
Wow, dude, you guys, there's a lot of fucking.
Alright. You know what's triggering short? Is that, well, a couple things.
Envo.
The XDA and the CTRP is triggering short. Triggered already, the CTRP. Okay, so let's take a look at the AXDA. Wow. That was a sucker. That was a sucker shakeout, basically. FedEx. Anybody got the OCUL? You can, but it's a little late now on the Yoku ad. The ad was just over yesterday's high. There was no other ad. Anybody got the OCUL? Cheater.